Alright, I'm on. My name is Don DeBar. I am the Director of Race Operations out at Greatlakes Dragaway. Today is the first KOTS event of the year, 2017, and this is the no prep event. We scraped the track yesterday from 100 feet all the way down, well, right back to that guardrail there. So it's a no prep event. The whole point of the contest is to see who the tuners are, who can make the horsepower get to the ground and get down that track without any track prep. So it's an interesting event, to say the least, and well, we're here today to have a good time.
My name is James Dodero. I'm here helping out with the KOTS bike classes. We got 3 classes this year. It's the first time we've had 3. We got a junior bike that needs to go through a road course, normal inspection. They gotta have a plate, headlights. They're gonna go through a 10 to 20 lap course to make sure the bikes don't overheat. They're gonna have to stop, go. There's gonna be a restart afterwards too to make sure the bikes can restart. There's also a senior class. It's a factory hand clutch, street tire, and that's it. Those are the rules on that one. The last class is extreme. They're a do whatever you want kind of class. You can have a hand slider. The only rule is no wheelie bars. You can have a flat slick, and that's it. So you're ready to go. That's about the 3 classes we got.
I race a 68 Camaro. We race the gangster class. I like racing this class because it's real competitive and it's challenging because we're doing it on a 26-inch tire. We have a lot of horsepower, and trying to get this kind of power down to the track is a real feat. But we're out here with the new car. We're excited about it. Made some real good hits yesterday, and we hope we do good this weekend.
How you doing? I'm Jason in Travaia, running my 79 Z28 today in the junior class. I like racing KOTS and no prep. It's a real tough track, but you know, it's a lot more about the tuner and your power management than just who's got the most power. So it kind of levels everything out, gives everyone a chance, and for a street car like this, I need that, so it's a lot of fun.
Perfect. All right, I'm John Schmaling. It's a 2000 Camaro, 632. Cubic inch. Mike Duke built it. Come out here to KOTS because of all the friendly racers and everybody's just, I mean, it's just an awesome time. It's a great event to be at. ARS-TV puts on a really nice event.
My name's Brad Keller. Call me Wheels. Today's KOTS, June 10th, Greatlakes Dragaway. It is what y'all know as the original no prep, and what I refer to as the best no prep in the country. You see cars and people here as far as the eye can see, and it is a huge event. If you haven't been to it, I suggest you come to it.
Hi, my name is Terry Miller. This is an 82 Firebird with a big block Chevy in it. I've had it since I was 15. It's pretty simple, heavy car, street car, power windows, everything. Runs on a 275 drag radial. Hopefully I can compete today a little bit, go some rounds. KOTS is a good time. A lot of small tire racing, that's why we love it.
My name's Al Gonzalez. I represent Team Black. Team Black's just a group of friends that just like racing. KOTS, we like KOTS because it's in our hometown. We just have a lot of fun.
All come out and support all the events out here. We like the cars, we like everything that goes on out here, so we like to come out and have a good time whenever we can.
I'm Chastity Lockwitz. It's pretty much the same thing. I like to come out, like watching all the cars, you know.
Everything put together, guys. I want to say thanks for being patient. It's been a great day out here. Welcome to KOTS, of course. We're going to get this done quick. I'm going to go over a couple of things while you guys are all here.
And that's all she